Hi, this is Okize from Special Maths. In this video, we're going to be working on this geometry problem. The question says, point E is on side AB of square ABCD. If AE has length 4 meters and EC has length 6 meters, the area of the square is... We'll start by drawing the diagram of what we have. So we have a square ABCD. Don't mind the shape, we will just assume it's a square for the sake of the problem. Then point E is on side AB of ABCD. So we'll put a point E here. AE has length 4 meters. So this is going to be 4 meters over here. And EC has length 6 meters. So we'll go ahead and draw a line from E to C. And this is 6 meters. And we're told to find the area of the square. So let's assume the length of the square is x. That means that BC is going to be x. AD and CD are going to be x as well. So we'll write it down too. And side AB2 will be x. So that means that this whole length here will be x. Since we know that AB is x and AE is 4, it means that EB is going to be x minus 4. Since AE plus EB has to be x. Since this is a square, all these angles are right angles. So we'll have a right angle triangle EBC. And by Pythagoras theorem, we know that EB squared plus BC squared is going to be equal to EC squared. Length EB is x minus 4. So we'll have x minus 4 squared here plus BC squared, which is x squared, equals EC squared, which is 6 squared. We'll now expand the equation we have here and see what we get. So the 2x squares come together to give us 2x squared. Then we have minus 8x. Then 36 comes to this other side, and we have 16 minus 36, which is minus 20, equals 0. And we cancel 2 from everything. We have x squared minus 4x minus 10 equals 0. We can go ahead and use the quadratic formula to find the value of x. So x is going to be minus b, which is minus 4, plus minus square root of b squared, which is minus 4 squared, minus 4ac. A is 1, c is minus 10, divided by 2a, which is 2. So x is going to be 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 40 over 2, which is 4 plus minus square root of 56 over 2. And square root of 56 is 2 roots 14, yes. So that's going to be 4 plus or minus 2 roots 14 over 2. Which means that x is going to be 2 plus or minus square root of 14. Since x is 2 plus or minus square root of 14, that means that x can take one of two values. X can either be 2 plus root 14, or x will be 2 minus root 14. But this second value is not possible, since this value is negative. Minus root 14 is obviously greater than 2, so 2 minus root 14 will be negative. That means that the value of x now has to be 2 plus root 14. And since we're looking for the area of the square is going to be x squared, which will be 2 plus square root of 14 squared, which is equal to 4 plus 4 root 14 plus 14, which is 18, plus 4 root 14, which is equal to 2 into 9 plus 2 root 14. And that's the answer to the question.